Hi guys, my name is Uma Sarva. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new on this channel, then I want to tell you that on this platform I always talk about different scholarship, different universities, how to build a scholarship while you're studying bachelor, master and PhD program. So if you didn't subscribe my channel, then I request you to please like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to smash the bell icon so that you can receive all the notification of my upcoming videos that would be beneficial for you in the future. And if you have already subscribed my channel, then thank you so much for subscribing my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about SEMIA. What is SEMIA? What is the difference between SEMIA and DOV? It is the alternative of DOV. DOV is actually a time-taking process, and it takes 3 to 4 months to apply for DOV and to get preparation for DOV. But SEMIA is not a time-taking process; it's a faster process, but it's a costly process. I think it cost around 300 to 300 euros, 350 euros. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how to upload all of your document on SEMIA and how to apply for SEMIA. So let's start our video. First is okay, this is the link. Okay, if you did not subscribe, if you did not register your account, then it will take you to this page. This is the first page. If you didn't create your account, you register yourself on this, then you have to create your account. Let me tell you how to create a new account. Suppose my name is Huma, surname is Server, and email is this one. In order to register, okay, I am not a robot, then click on register. Okay, I receive an email from this, so let me check my email. I received this email from SEMIA. Okay, activate account. This is my user ID and this is my password. Activate account. My user ID is my email address and my password is automatically generated by the system. So okay, traffic lights, where are traffic lights? Verify and click on enter. So this is my account. I have generated my account. So click on this one. On the left side, it's account. Click on this one. Update to full account. Click on upgrade to full account. Date of birth. Write down your correct date of birth. My date of birth is this is my date of birth. Please follow your passport and all the documents. Nationality, country of birth, city of birth, and your ID passport number. Okay, suppose this is my passport number and this is my contact number. Then go to the residential address, country, city, zip code of your country, city. Street number is street number, everybody knows, and civic number is house number. Upgrade to full account. Nowadays, most of the universities, they are asking for SEMIA instead of DOV, especially okay, account. Okay, document. Now click on documents, add new document, select document group. Okay, identity document, my passport. I said my passport. ID card and passport. Issuing country ho gayi, this one. Now we have to upload our passport. Suppose this is my passport. Confirm and save document. Add new document. Select document group. Consent documents. Consent form. Select document type. Consent form. Okay, this is the consent form. Now you have to download this consent form. Let me open this form. Okay, go to the second page. On the second page, you have to write down your name. My name, my surname, Okay, check these boxes and then date. What is the date? Suppose today is okay 042023, and then signature, and then download this form with your changes, consent form, save. So let's get back to our website. Okay, choose form, choose file, consent form, open. So we have uploaded our this file, and then confirm and save document. Okay, now we have uploaded our consent form and also identity document. So let's go to qualification, add new document. We have to upload all of our documents, higher education qualification, diploma name. Okay, select document type, that is diploma. Suppose this is my bachelor's diploma. Bachelor's diploma, diploma issuing country हो जाएगी. Okay, diploma name, what is the, okay, BS, okay, I say BS in engineering. Huma server issuing date आपने कर देनी है. Follow your document. Awarding institution, Higher Education Commission of Pakistan, I know for the engineering. The issuing authority is PEC, so you have to just follow your documents. Institution, University of Punjab. I'm just giving you examples. Enrollment date and graduation date, you have to mention it. Okay, final marks, document number, this is my document number, and then choose file. The name of the document should be the same as you are writing here. I am just giving you example, that's why all of my documents name is always comment. Okay, then confirm and save document. Add new document. Select group, okay, higher education qualification. Diploma name, bachelor's transcript. Select document, transcript हो जाएगी, and then issuing country, that is Pakistan. Choose file. Suppose this is my bachelor transcript. Your file name should be this one, bachelor transcript. Okay, confirm and save document. Add new document. We have uploaded our bachelor diploma and transcript. Now let's get back to our intermediate diploma. Intermediate diploma, select type diploma. Issuing country, that is Pakistan. Issuing date, check your document. Awarding institution, that is Board of Intermediate Education. Teaching institution, government college. Okay, enrollment date, write it down. Okay, final marks, you have to upload final marks or your percentage. It's up to you, percentage, document number, and create. Okay, choose file. And then confirm and save document. Okay, now I have to do this one. Okay, diploma name हो जाएगा जी, that is pre-engineering. Issue date, suppose I said issue date is January 1st. Please check your documents, always check your documents. Enrollment date, okay, and graduation date. Credit. Okay, total number of credits, suppose it was 60. Confirm and save document. Okay, next document is secondary school qualification. Secondary school diploma. Select document type, that is diploma. Issuing country is Pakistan. Diploma name is, okay, I said secondary school diploma. Secondary school diploma, or you can also write it down metric diploma. Issuing date, check your degrees and transcripts. Suppose issuing date was 2012 January. Okay, awarding institution, Board of Secondary Education Faisalabad. Government school. Suppose I got this qualification from government school. Write down complete name, enrollment date, 10, and graduation date. Suppose this is my graduation date, and okay, final marks 70%. Document number, it must be on your document. So choose file. Now we have uploaded this form. There is secondary school qualification. Add new document. So now we have to upload our transcripts. Secondary school qualification. Secondary school transcript. Transcript, select document type, that is transcript. Issuing country हो जाएगी, that is Pakistan, or okay, and then upload our transcript. Click on open, confirm and save document. So we have uploaded our higher education, bachelor diploma, bachelor transcript, intermediate diploma, intermediate transcript, and next one is higher school education में diploma and transcript. They are also asking about transcript, secondary school, okay, living certificate, the degree certificate, exam transcript, and the translation of document. Now we have to upload our translation. You can also add new document. Add new document में जाके select, okay, this one. Higher education qualification में you can say bachelor's diploma translation. So I'm just giving you this example कि आपने इस तरीके से, now you have to upload all of your translated documents. Okay, I'm not uploading it because it's a time taking process. So let's go to this. Let's go to comparability. Click on this one because I am applying for comparability. Okay, service timeline. Cost of the service is ordinary procedure में they are asking for 150 euros and it takes 60 working days. But urgent के लिए, if you want to apply for urgent procedure, it takes 30 working days. So the price for urgent is 250. So it depends on your urgency. Character of the service is okay. Continue. Click on continue. Select if you would like to request also statement of verification. So before applying for this CEMIA, okay, ask your university if SOV is also required or not. If it is not required, then leave it blank. If it is also required, then click on this one. But in this video, I'm just telling you about comparability. Okay, type of qualification, higher education qualification, destination country, Italy, purpose of access for studies evaluation, document to be crafted diploma, bachelor diploma, because I am applying for master degree program. So this is Laurea. Laurea means bachelor degree program and Laurea Magistrale means master degree program. So Laurea Magistrale. So I have uploaded all of these documents. Okay, transcripts. I have uploaded my transcript. Okay, this one. Consent form, translation, diploma. I have uploaded, suppose I have uploaded all of my documents here. Optional document, add new document, diploma, intermediate, transcript, no. And then click on confirm. Click on confirm urgent procedure. The service will be provided on priority and certificate will be issued within 30 working days. If you want an urgent procedure, if you want the urgent document, then click on yes. Delivery to an additional email address that require €5. Sign original paper copy deliver. Okay, आपने ये सारा कुछ खुद check कर लेना है. What do you need? So next one is add another request. Confirm request. Confirm this one. So total price is 150. अच्छा, यहाँ पे एक और चीज़ देखिएगा, डिलीवरी टू एन एडिशनल ईमेल एड्रेस इज प्रेफर्ड टू गेट an extra thing. An additional cost will be charged. Please provide email address of the institution to send the statement to this one. So write down your email address so that you can get this document. Next is sign original paper copy. Okay, it is possible to request a signed original copy of the statement to be delivered by courier services. Okay, if you want it by courier services, then Italy only 35. Okay, it's up to you, whatever you want. And then to other request, no, we don't have any other request. Then click on confirm. So हमने confirm पे click कर दिया है and then go to payment. Go to payment services. Okay, how do you want to pay this amount? The safer and easiest way to pay, it's up to you if you want to pay via PayPal or XPay. Now it's up to you if you want to pay via PayPal or XPay. Click on XPay if you want to pay via XPay. They are asking about your card information, these things, all these things. So you have to fill this form. Email address and everything. They are asking about also email address. Okay, after putting down all of your information, just like your card number, your expansion, SCVV, name, surname, email address, then click on this next. Then you will receive an email. If your payment is confirmed, then you will receive an email from this website, from Diplome. And after that, you will have to wait for 30 days. It's up to you if you want to apply for 30 days or 60 days, then they will confirm you via email. So this is the procedure to apply for CMEA. I hope this video, you will find this video very useful. You find this video very useful, then please like and subscribe my channel. Next video tak ke liye take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.